Very good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is subject and predicates, and it comes under the grammar Greece section. And to do this topic, let us first understand what do you mean by subject and predicates. Fine. A complete sentence has two parts, subject and a predicate. Okay. In a sentence, there are two parts, subject and the predicate. But the thing is that how will you find out that which one is the subject and which one is the predicate? Now, let's see an example. People from all the nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. Now, how would you know that which part is the subject and which is the predicate? So, dear students, in the subject, there can be two things, single noun or a noun phrase. So, it is the naming part of a sentence. It answers your question who the subject is about, or the doer part. Fine. So in this sentence you can see the people from all the nations. People is the noun, from all the nations it is the noun phrase. It is the noun phrase. People from all the nation is the noun phrase over here. So this is your subject. This is your subject because people is noun and from all the nations it is all connected with people only. Okay, so it is the subject part. Whereas in the other part, go to see the Eiffel Tower. You can see over here, go to see the Eiffel Tower. So can you make out which word is a verb in this sentence? So go. Go is the verb in this sentence because it is an action word. To see the Eiffel Tower. So where did they go? They go to see the Eiffel Tower. Okay. In this remaining sentence, it is a predicate. Now, how would you identify that which part is the predicate? In the predicate, you have to remember that predicate is the telling part of a sentence. And in a predicate, there can be a verb, and verb is a necessary thing in it. Secondly, there can be an object. It is an optional part, and there can be the remaining sentence. Fine. In the predicate, there can be three parts, verb, object, and the remaining part. It answers your question what the subject does. It answers your question that what the subject does. What is the subject doing in the sentence? It answers all your question. Okay. And it has a verb too. All the predicates have a verb. So in this sentence, people from all the nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. So go is a verb. So that means it is a part of a predicate. To see the Eiffel Tower. This whole remaining sentence is the predicate. Okay. So this is the subject and this is the predicate of a sentence. Understood? Now in the same manner you will do this exercise. Write suitable predicates to give subject to the subject to make complete sentence. Right? Like the first one is Anand. You can add any of the predicate like Anand is very good at writing. The same ways what you have to do, you have to make these subjects, and with the help of these subjects you have to write down the predicates of your own. Fine.